This video is to talk about how to print spine labels and how to print barcodes. So to do so, go to the Library tab, down to the barcodes. Oftentimes I forget this little action thing over here actually has lots and lots of information and does a lot of things. So go over to Actions, Reports, Print Labels, and then you're going to go down and select the template, and I've already created a library barcodes template, so you click on that, and then you can edit the content from here. I have it to print the barcode, print the ID, and property of Chess Christian School. You can have it auto do some things, so these are the things that it will pull from the library module itself to put on the label, and then you can also type whatever. So if you wanted to change property of Chess Christian or whatever, you can do so. You can change the size, you can change the font, and then you would hit save and then finished. So then what you will do is the design mode will give you an outline on the label, and then if you wanted to see exactly where it would print, but if you go to print, it will then show you your barcodes, the ID number that I had it auto put in, and then the property of Chess Christian School. And if you wanted to change the settings, like for some reason if the labels were a little bit different, you could do that there as well. Okay, then to print the spine labels, you would go to Catalog. And again, this little action thing has a lot of different processes. So go to Actions, Reports. I always have a hard time getting it. And then print labels. And then I have set up a spine label, 50 labels per page. Actually, I think it's more than that. I think the template is actually 100 labels per page, so I'll need to check that. But I think that label was actually my design, not its process, so I probably titled it the wrong thing. But you can edit the content here as well. There are different things to choose from. I would suggest putting the Dewey Decimal, the author code, the school name abbreviation, and we might even want like the genre, or if we're going to put in a location or something to help us catalog. So if we're keeping all of the series together, or textbooks, or whatever it might be, however we're wanting to label things, we would probably want that to print on the spine as well. And again, you can change the size, the font, stuff like that. Oops. So then you do the same thing, you select your template, and then you go to print, and it will print them.